In this video, we're going to work through some questions from real exam papers. So this one's from the first question of a paper. There's only one part to it. Find the first three terms in the Maclaurin series for tanh inverse or artanh of half e to the x in the form half ln a plus bx plus cx squared, giving the exact values of the constants. Okay, so my f of x is tanh inverse of half e to the x. So I've got a couple of options here. I could either express tanh in terms of log, so the tanh inverse, the artanh, or I could just use the result from the formula book to help me differentiate this. So remember that you get this little table in your formula book, and look, there's the derivative of artanh x down here. So with that in the back of my mind, I can use the chain rule to differentiate this. So the derivative of that, well, it's artanh of some stuff. So the derivative of artanh of some stuff is 1 over 1 minus that stuff squared, which is a quarter e to the 2x, multiplied by the derivative of that stuff, which is the derivative of this, which is half e to the x. I'll just put that up here, half e to the x. So we now have the derivative, and it's actually all in terms of exponentials, so that's okay. And now I can find the second derivative as well, and I'm going to use the quotient rule for that. So that's v u dash, so v u dash, and the derivative of half e to the x is half e to the x minus uv dash, so that's u, and then the derivative of v is a quarter times 2, so minus a half e to the 2x, and that's all over v squared, so all over 1 minus a quarter e to the 2x all squared. So now I can find the values at 0. So f of 0 is artanh of half e to the 0. So that's artanh of a half. So artanh of a half. But tanh of a half, well, it's half of ln 1 plus x over 1 minus x. So that's 1.5 divided by half, which is 3. And so that's a half ln 3. Now, f dashed of 0 is subbing 0 into here, which is giving me half e to the 0. So that's a half divided by 1 minus a quarter e to the 0, and I get 2/3. Then the second derivative evaluated at 0, just key this whole lot in. 1, and the easy thing about e to the 0s is they're 1, so I'm just typing in 1 minus a quarter times a half minus a half times minus a half, all over 1 minus a quarter squared, and it's 10 over 9. So seems kind of complicated, but quite easy to key in. That means my Maclaurin expansion for f of x, I guess they didn't, I made up the term f of x, I'll use theirs, tanh to the minus 1 of half e to the x is equal to half ln 3, that's the first term, plus 2/3 x, plus 10/9 of x squared over 2, so that's going to be plus 5 over 9x squared, plus dot dot dot, and we are done. Okay, next problem here. Find the value of the integral of 1 over root x minus 5 squared minus 1 between 7 and 6, giving your answer in terms of a log. Okay, well, there's no explicit statement of hyperbolic functions here, but you should recognize this form as being that of a hyperbolic integral. And just to make things a little bit easier, you might want to just start with the substitution. Say let u equal x minus 5. That's going to convert, well, it's going to convert the limits into 6 minus 5 and 7 minus 5, which is nice. And it's going to give us the square 1 over the square root of u squared minus 1. Du equals dx, so we just have du. Now recall you get this stack of integrals in your formula book, and you'll notice that down here we have 1 over root x squared minus a number squared, and we've got things in that form. So it's going to be an r cosh integral. So the integral of this is just r cosh, or cosh inverse of u, and our limits here are 1 and 2. So we end up with r cosh 2 minus r cosh 1. R cosh is ln of x plus root x squared minus 1, so 2 squared minus 1 is 3, minus inverse cosh of 1, which is just good to know, that is just 0. So there we have it in that form, ln of a plus root b. We've got that, ln of 2 plus root 3. So we have it in that form. A was 2 and b was 3, and we're done with that question. Okay, that's all for now. I'll see you in the next video where we'll work through an even harder exam problem. So see you there.